Darius, where we discuss the latest and the greatest news in technology. Today, I'm going to discuss something different. Usually, I talk about artificial intelligence. We've discussed artificial intelligence in pharmacy, we've talked about it in space, we've talked about it in the music industry. We've even talked about its role in basically the autonomous robotics as well as the autonomous delivery services by Waymo. But today I wanted to discuss something a little differently. We all know Dubai for its city, breathtaking city actually. It's one of the youngest cities out here actually. Um, and it's immersed in technology. It's one of the, or probably the only city that's as high tech as it is. Nothing really compares to Dubai, but a lot of Dubai and its surrounding cities, the UAE, the empire started from gas and oil. We know that they produce like some of the world's leading gas and oil. Their production level is ranked number 8 in the world, actually. Um, and within UAE, Dubai is one of the most breathtaking cities with its tall skyscrapers. But a lot of the oil production and the oil production around the world is actually they're trying to reduce it because the longevity of it is not there. So people in our country as well as other countries, they've um, kind of shifted things and in order to protect the reserves that we have now. So you'll see electric vehicles being used, you'll see hybrid vehicles being used, and a lot of that's being standardized across the globe. Um, and they're doing various different ways or using various technologies to reduce the oil consumption because it's not infinite. It actually runs out. And right now, they're predicting that Dubai and the UAE has probably about 300 years left before their reserves run out. So Dubai is looking for other ways to make revenue or to, basically exchange the oil revenue for something else. So they're looking at various investments, and one of their investments that they're looking into is actually drones or UAS. They're thinking it's going to be extremely profitable. Right now, Dubai makes a lot of its money from tourism. About 20% comes from tourism. The others from real estate, construction, and trade. Um, but prior to that, most of it came from oil um, production and stuff like that. And in the 1960s, that's when it actually started. And like I said, they got give or take maybe 300 years, and all the oil reserves will be out. So they think drones could be the solution to their problem. They're actually predicting, the UAE predicts that the civilian drone industry could be worth as much as $10 billion by 2025. So Dubai wants to be a part of that, and to showcase, how much they want to be a part of it, they've hosted a couple of drone shows or drone competitions in Dubai. One of those was Drones for Goods. This is a 2-day competition where various countries and various companies like MIT, they come, they compete, they showcase their drone capability, and a lot of it is different capabilities. Some may be useful for work, and other things may be security or something like that. But they compete for 2 days, and the best country or company actually wins the $1 million prize. But more so, this is just to showcase the technology and the capabilities of these drones. And Dubai wants to basically adopt any of the technology or learn about it and use it for their own benefits. So that's why they actually host these things, because it kind of benefits them, especially in the long run, if the industry could be worth $10 millions. So not only does Dubai want to use their or showcase their technology or adapt the technology everybody's using in these competitions, but Dubai thinks that drones may be the solution for actually saving money in the workforce. So they think that drones could be used to help clean skyscraper windows, which would relieve people of jobs as well and reduce a lot of the labor costs. They think the drones can be used for inspection of cars as well. And it's not just Dubai who's trying to go in that direction. Saudi Arabia Saudi Arabia is actually trying to do the same exact thing that Dubai is doing. Um, Saudi Arabia is saying that they're expected to make $13.1 million in 2024 just from the drone market revenue. Um, they're also expecting to see a 5.13 increase each year from 2024 to 2028 from drones alone. And they also want to use drones for, um, the workforce as well. They're actually using drones for oil and gas inspections as well as other agriculture needs. But not only will they use the drones for technology purposes and maybe security as well, but they plan to use it to also reduce the workforce. So that's saving Saudi Arabia money and work. Basically they wouldn't have to pay so many people to do the work. They could just use the drones to do it, so they're saving money that way as well. So the drone industry, especially for UAE and all the um, basically countries under the UAE, they're all looking at drones as a source of serious revenue. Dubai thinks it's a $10 billion industry, so this could definitely close the oil gap, and they don't no longer have to rely on producing oil to make money, and tourism as money either. So this could be a large source of revenue for both Saudi Arabia and Dubai. So this is quite interesting. Um, I know they're especially looking at drones in the security aspect to protect, and especially in the UAE, they're using that for protection and for spying, reconnaissance, and stuff like that. So drones are definitely something to look into. It's definitely a billion-dollar industry, and Dubai wants to be a part of that, and they think it may be a solution to, or may, make up for some of the oil revenue that they will potentially lose in the future. So, um, that's all that I have today. I will cover more topics related to drones because it's of interest to me, especially how they're going to use artificial intelligence in drones. But until then, please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.